What's happening, people? It's Shek from ITSHISSOUND. Welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you're checking us out, remember to click subscribe. I'll tell you what we do. I'm Shek, first of all. I am Mr. ITSHISSOUND, or Shek Music, what they call me. Follow me on Instagram if you don't know, if you've never seen me before. What we do on this channel, we look at the different tips and tricks that we can give you to help you enhance your career, help you better your career and become a better musician. So whether you're a rapper, a singer, a producer, there's loads of different things that you will find on our channel that will help you benefit and help you lift your career up, shall we say. So if this is what you're looking for, then by all means, like I said, just remember to click the subscribe and also hit the notification bell to keep up to date with everything that we're doing. Okay, so today's topic, this is from one of my shall we say followers, or somebody I know personally, to be honest. So shout out to him, JackYG. Shout out my boy Jack. Okay, he's actually asked me to do a video today about choruses. Now he's a rapper and he struggles to write choruses. Hope you don't mind me saying that, Jack, but that's what you told me anyway. So I said I'd make this video for him to help him be able to write better choruses. It's probably the best way to put it. So hopefully this will help you out, Jack. You can let me know. Obviously, you can leave some comments below, Jack, obviously yourself, to let me know if this did help you or if there's anything you feel I've missed. If there's anything or anyone watching that you think obviously is missing from this list, then maybe you can help Jack out by leaving a comment below. Let him know what's missing from the video so that he can obviously better his career. This might help you better your career too. Okay, let's get started. So let's look at what is a chorus. So a chorus is a part of a song which is repeated after each verse. So in order for this to make sense to you, you have to know what the verse is. So the verse is usually the parts in between. The chorus is that part that's always repeated. So if we put it that way, then basically the chorus always comes again and again and again, the catchy part that everyone sings to, and then the verses are what fills in between that. So let's say the chorus is the main, that's the bulk of the meal, whereas the verses obviously just help to get to that main bulk of the meal. Sometimes a chorus can also be called a hook. I don't know if anyone's ever heard that before. If you haven't and you didn't know that was what a hook was, then now you know. So hook, chorus, same thing. If you didn't know that, give us a like or a thumbs up. Okay. Some people like to say that it's the best part of the song. Now, me personally, I wouldn't say it's the best part of the song. It depends on who the person is, but most people that are generally not musically inclined would say that it's the best part of the song. It's the part that they always know to sing to, they dance to it, etc. So it's quite catchy, as we've already said. Usually the choruses, you'll find the most catchy part of the song. Okay, you do get a lot of obviously variation. For example, if your verse is 16 bars, you'll usually find that the chorus is 8 bars. Or if it's a 32 verse, then you'll find that it's a 16 bar chorus. There isn't a limit. Obviously, there's no rule. There's no like underwritten rule or anything like that. But you usually find that it's normally half of whatever the verse is. That's a good little tip for rappers. If you're struggling how long to make your chorus, then that's the best thing to do. Just half your verse, that will help you out, and then it's not too long, it's not too short. Okay, another one that's quite popular nowadays, especially in hip hop, is the singing. If you're not sure what to do on your chorus, then singing is also a good way that you can, shall we say, catch people's attention. If you're dropping your bars like, I don't know, then all of a sudden out of nowhere you start singing. I don't know, that's a bad example, but you get where I'm coming from with that. People who ain't even into rap music are going to feel that part because they'll be like, yo, where'd that come from? All you need to do is just try and make it as catchy as possible. So singing, if you can sing, that's one way you can go with it. Expression. Expression is very important as well. Even if you're not going to sing, my mum taught me that it's not what you say, it's how you say it. So I could say, it could be anything. I could say, I'm going down the stairs. That could be said how I just said it just there. I could be like, yo, I'm going down the stairs. Or, I'm going down the stairs. Or, I don't know. There's so many different ways you could say the same line and make it feel different to the audience, to your listeners. So that's another bit of advice from me. If you work on your expression and how you say things, sometimes that can make or break your music. I've got tracks where I've sounded so monotone in the past and I've showed people and they've been like, what is this? Whereas I've got other songs where, I don't know, I probably was just feeling it that day, or I was feeling it that little bit more. But I know now from personal experience that you've got to put your heart and all in every track. That expression's got to be there. It can't sound like you're just reading it like I'm doing now off a piece of paper. Otherwise, hey, no one would listen to it, to be honest. If I sound like I was just reading off this bit of paper now, you probably won't be watching this video. So kind of, it's the same thing. Obviously, I've got my notes here. They're just bullet points. So I don't want anyone to start saying, oh, yeah, look at him reading off the paper after I've just said that. But you know what I mean. Let's get back to obviously what we're talking about here. It's keeping it simple. that's the next little tip I've got for you. If you keep it simple, it will give you a direction. So let's just say if your song is about how hard you've been working, then maybe in the chorus, maybe you should have the line, I work so damn hard, or I'm constantly working, or just keep it simple. If that's what the song's about, then that's what you should have in there. That's pretty much the... Think about any song that you like. Usually whatever it's about is in that chorus, and that's just the way it is, really. Like I said, repetitive. You'll usually find as well, obviously that comes along with keeping it simple, but repetitive is good nowadays. It used to be like not frowned upon, but people used to look at it and be a bit before, whereas now you can get away with repeating the same line 8 times if you really wanted to, and I don't think anybody would make mad comments about it, because people, again, that are not musically inclined want something that they can sing along with or they can vibes to. So I don't know, my personal opinion again, but this is why I feel like rappers like Lil Pump are becoming so popular, because they repeat themselves over and over again, so the words they're saying get stuck in your head and eventually you end up singing the song even when you didn't like it. So again, it works for some people. Try it, it might work for you. Remember, you can always try taking something that somebody's already done, something old, and like an old popular song, for example, that's maybe not even the same genre, and you could always remix the bars. You could always remix what they were saying. The same way that producers would remix a song, you could always remix the song in that sense. Just make sure you don't get done for no copyright infringement, as it keeps happening to a lot of people nowadays. So I'd just be careful of that. Just make sure, obviously, you're not copying what they're saying word for word. Maybe you're just copying the way they're saying it or something, or just look into what you're doing before you, do you know what I mean? Don't just fully just copy someone, basically. My last little tip for you, I would say, is quite simple. Just stick to learning to rhyme. I know I've said it in another video before, just learn to rhyme. The more you practice rhyming, then the better your choruses will get. Obviously you have to rhyme in your verse anyway, but it's got to be catchy, like we keep saying. If it's not catchy, no one's going to be paying attention to none of that. So obviously remember, all the tips we've given you, they are quite basic. It wasn't anything fancy or any secret tips or anything like that. It's just simple things to just help Jack and help others out with writing a chorus. If there's anything you think we've missed from the list, then you can always add it in the comments below. Let me know. Obviously, I'll comment back to you, or like I say, Jack may even comment on the video. Hopefully you'll see this. Just remember to keep just watching our videos, and if you need help with any other musical tips, they may be coming. If you need to ask us anything, they may come sooner than you think. Remember to keep watching at Shek Music. This is It's His Sound. Thank you very much.